The best way to succeed in life is to act on the advice we give to others. We fear the future because we are wasting today. Love begins by taking care of the closest ones, the ones at home. Let us always meet each other with a smile, for the smile is the beginning of love. Some people come in our life as blessings, some come in your life as lessons. If you find happiness, people may be jealous. Be happy anyway. Be happy in the moment. That's enough. Each moment is all we need, not more. Discipline is the bridge between goals and accomplishment. There is more hunger for love and appreciation in this world than for bread. I can do things you cannot. You can do things I cannot. Together we can do great things. True love is love that causes us pain, that hurts, and yet brings us joy. That is why we must pray to God and ask Him to give us the courage to love. Life is an opportunity. Benefit from it. Life is beauty. Admire it. Life is a dream. Realize it. Do not allow yourselves to be disheartened by any failure as long as you have done your best. Be faithful in small things because it is in them that your strength lies. Poverty was not created by God. It is we who have caused it. You and I through our egotism. Give the world the best you have. And it may never be enough. Give the world the best you've got anyway. Never worry about numbers. Help one person at a time. And always start with the person nearest you. Spread love everywhere you go. Let no one ever come to you without leaving happier. Go out into the world today and love the people you meet. Let your presence light new light in the hearts of people. Life is a game, play it. Life is too precious. Do not destroy it. If you are successful, you will win some false friends and some true enemies. Succeed anyway. If you are honest and frank, people may cheat you. Be honest and frank anyway. The openness of our hearts and minds can be measured by how wide we draw the circle of what we call family. Even the rich are hungry for love, for being cared for being wanted, for having someone to call their own. I don't do great things. I do small things with great love. Any country that accepts abortion is not teaching its people to love but to use violence to get what they want. We ourselves feel that what we are doing is just a drop in the ocean, but the ocean would be less because of that missing drop. Whenever you share love with others, you'll notice the peace that comes to you and to them.